Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on your iPhone hotspot so the Homepod can join your phone's network. This is necessary because Homepod uses Wi-Fi for audio streaming and AirPlay. Once done, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and showing the personal hotspot screen so the device advertises credentials. You should also position the Homepod close to the iPhone. Proximity speeds detection and reduces connection errors. Now that prerequisites are active, proceed to add the Homepod to that hotspot network. You'll now use the Home app to join the Homepod to the iPhone network. This tells Homepod which Wi-Fi to use for music and Siri. Make sure the Home app is signed into the same Apple ID as the Homepod, then add the accessory or select the Homepod and choose Wi-Fi settings. When prompted, select your iPhone's hotspot SSID and type the password you noted earlier. If automatic setup suggests transferring settings from your iPhone, accept it to copy network and Apple ID details quickly. You finish by verifying the Homepod can stream and respond to Siri, ask for music, or play an AirPlay audio source to confirm latency and reliability. If things go wrong, first toggle personal hotspot off and on, then restart both devices. This resolves most DHCP or advertising hiccups. Make sure your cellular data and signal strength support the Homepod's streaming needs because poor reception will cause dropouts. If problems persist, forget the network on the Homepod via the Home app and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.